Thyroid hormone replacement. Understanding the benefits and risks of levothyroxine. Levothyroxine, also known as T4, is a medication that is commonly used to replace or supplement the thyroid hormone in individuals with an underactive thyroid, a condition known as hypothyroidism. The thyroid gland is located in the neck and produces hormones that regulate metabolism, heart rate and body temperature. When the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones, levothyroxine can help to restore normal levels and alleviate symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold. One of the main uses of levothyroxine is to treat hypothyroidism. In this condition, the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones, resulting in a slow metabolism, weight gain, and fatigue. Levothyroxine can help to replace the missing hormones and restore normal levels, thereby improving symptoms. It is also used as a preventive measure after surgery or radiation treatment of the thyroid gland to prevent recurrent hypothyroidism. Levothyroxine is considered a safe and effective medication, but like all drugs, it can cause side effects. The most common side effects are headache, tremors, and palpitations. These side effects are generally mild and short-lived. However, if the side effects persist or are severe, patients should contact their healthcare provider. When taking levothyroxine, it is important to follow the instructions provided by a healthcare provider. The dosage and frequency of use will depend on the individual's medical condition and response to the medication. Levothyroxine is usually taken orally, once a day, and can be taken with or without food. It is important to take the medication at the same time each day, on an empty stomach, and to avoid taking it with other medications or supplements that may interfere with its absorption.